In the lively town of Melodyville, Barbie was known for her love of singing. Her voice could make flowers bloom and hearts feel lighter. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the forest, she heard a mysterious tune. Curious, Barbie followed it to a glowing golden harp floating in midair. "I'm Harmony, the magical harp," it spoke. Long ago, the heart note, a gem that powers all music in Melodyville, was stolen and hidden in the echo caves. Music is fading from our land. Will you help me find it? Barbie's heart filled with determination. Yes, let's save the music. The journey to the cave's harmony led Barbie to the echo caves, where they met a talking bird named Whistle. "I know the way through the caves. I'll help you," said Whistle. Together they reached the entrance, where a deep voice boomed. "To enter, solve this riddle. I have keys but no locks. I can be played but never opened. What am I?" "A piano," Barbie answered confidently. The cave doors swung open. The challenges. Inside, they faced 3 challenges. The dancing lights. Barbie had to copy glowing patterns on the floor. Her love for rhythm guided her steps, and she passed with ease. The silent song. A group of stone statues sang a silent melody. Barbie imagined the tune in her heart and sang it aloud, bringing the statues to life. The final puzzle. The heart note was trapped in a crystal cage. Barbie played a song on a magical piano, filling the cave with beautiful music. With a burst of light, the heart note was freed. Music restored. Barbie placed the heart note in the melody tree at the center of town. A wave of music spread across Melodyville, bringing joy and harmony to everyone. The people cheered for Barbie, calling her the guardian of Melodyville. From that day on, she sang not just for herself, but to fill the world with happiness.